What if I tell you the food which you eat daily are unhealthy?
How about if I ask you to stop eating what you love to eat?
Confused?
Don't be. In the next few minutes, I will share you a story which will clear all your confusions.
Whether you are a vegetarian or a non-vegetarian, fruits and vegetables have always been a part of our lives. But these days, there are some people who have one mantra: sell anything which brings money, and are using toxic chemicals to harvest fruits and vegetables and then sell them in the market. Wondering, why am I talking about all these so far? Well, our next story is based on the same lines. There is one man who has decided to go into the roots of the cultivation of vegetables and fruits. This takes to our next destination, Bhubaneswar, Orissa. Meet Avilash, a man from Bhubaneswar who is graduated from the Kalinga Institute of Industrial Technology, has decided to make a difference. His mother died of cancer, which was his greatest loss in his life. He wondered, his mother has never smoked or drank alcohol. Then why she died from cancer? He tried to figure out what led to the sudden death of his mother and drew his attention to food. He began to investigate the causes and discovered that the long-term buildup of the chemicals in the body, especially through the food she used to consume, was considered one of the major problem causes of cancer. And thus began his quest to provide chemical and toxin-free food to people. His desire to do so eventually led to the inception of CNG Agro Ventures, a company that provides toxin-free vegetables at an affordable price. In his company, the vegetables and fruits go through a unique 3-step process, which reduces the chemicals in them by up to 60 to 90%. After the vegetables are truly rid of the chemicals, they are packed to retain hygiene and carry a barcode sticker on the package. Scanning the barcode will tell you where the vegetables have come from, which village and which farm. The project certainly seems like a sustainable fight against chemicals in our diet. His project is now slowly reaching other parts of the country too. After losing his mother, Avilash has one desire: that everyone should live healthy and should have a good stomach. With that, we are coming to the end of our 4th story. Hold your tights, as we are coming back with the remaining 24 stories which are helping to make our country a better place. If you have any inspirational story which is not famous, do let us know in the comment section. We would love to promote the same. If you like the story, do give a thumbs up. Share this video with everyone. In case if you are new to our channel, please subscribe it. Don't forget to press the bell icon to stay up to date. Our Good to Know family is also available on Facebook and Instagram. The handles are given on the screen. Do follow them. Alright then, now just wait for another few more days as we will be back with another inspirational story. So until next time, you all stay safe, stay blessed, take care of your health Peace out.